Hi friends, so I got a couple of new things for the Ariel Rider 52 volts right now. So I bought a couple of things. The first is the two-piece seats from OC Cafe Racer. This is the diamond pattern, dark brown one. So it's two-piece. I think he sells also one long one-piece. This is um, the guy who makes it. He has a website that you can go to. Uh, I'm gonna first time installing it right now, and it looks really good. Um, Diamond stitch and two piece because like I never know like when I want to attach a cart, so I don't have to uninstall like everything and install another short seat. So this is OC Cafe Racer. He makes a bunch of seats for Super 73, and then Ariel Riders, pretty new. And next one I'm gonna install at the same time is um, the triangle battery. This is a 52 volt, about 20 amp hour. So pretty much, hopefully doubling the range of the bike. I did ran out of battery on this one, so I was trying to climb a hill, and it pretty much went from 2 bars to pretty much to zero, just like that. So I got like range anxiety, so I ended up getting these to kind of extend my ride. Um, so I got this from eBay. Um, it's pretty right now. There's a lot of batteries in eBay. I'm not sure like how long they will have it, but yeah. And it comes with the Velcro straps, so I got a few. And it did come with some Anderson connectors, so I did have to buy a Anderson to XT60 converter. So I just want to see, that's XT60, and this is the converter. So this attached that. This is the converter I got from this is on Amazon. So we have the XT60 in our controller, so we have that to convert that. But yeah, I tried it. It runs. So before installing, just test it out first. Make sure it runs. And this one, yeah, the battery shows the voltage correctly. And yeah, it's 52 volts. So I'm gonna install this right now. So have a seat done. I'm gonna install like the battery first because the one of the Velcro for the battery actually goes under the seat. So I'm gonna try that out. Okay. So here's a quick measurement of the battery. Um, so you can see the Velcro kind of almost hits the one of those bolts for the seat. So and then see it kind of rest. This kind of rests on the battery itself, so a bit secure. So 360. So it looks like kind of cable kind of goes down right here. So I might do this, right that, like that, and kind of just leave those two screws open for the uh, for the cover. Um, so I'll try to like maybe close it here, so in case it rains, it doesn't get inside the controller. So I think, yeah. So that's what I'll do. I'm gonna put one more Velcro here, so it just secures it from here. Uh, and that's it. I got a battery blender I think it's called um, from Spark Cycle. So I'm gonna install that again, maybe next week. I'm just waiting for it. I just have a delay right now because of the storm in down south. So I'm just waiting for that. But so for the like the how it looks like, it's like this. I don't think I can like push it back because it's gonna cover the bolts already. You know. So um, maybe some more adjustments. I'll be right back. So encountered an issue because of the Velcro and the battery. I won't be able to install the two bolts on the front of the seat. So I'm just gonna use the four bolts uh, on the middle and the back. Yeah, so I don't see. I think it should still be secure with just the four bolts. I'm just gonna check out if it actually the seat would rise up if it's only the middle on the if it's only in the middle and the back of the seat. I think it should be pretty secure already just with that. So let's go ahead and install it. Nice. How it looks like. I just need to like get the battery blender and pretty much um, I'm gonna install like the cabling to the controller, and we should have dual batteries on the Ariel Rider 52X. More range. So wait, the seat looks awesome. I haven't tried it, so just installed it right now. But it's pretty secure even with just our four bolts, and the battery Velcro is right there. Yeah. So I'll see you guys next time. I don't know what's next to upgrade. We'll see. See ya. Bye bye.